Skincare night. Scary on. Hi guys! So, it's just a chill Sunday. Kakatapos ko lang manood ng online mass like few hours ago. I think like an hour ago. Tapos nag-wash na rin ako ng dishes and nag-ayos ng ibang gamit. So, the only thing that I need to do right now is to like keep the bags na nasa table ko dito sa sala, sa kwarto, and then yung mga paplansyahin. Titignan ko lang kung ilan. Titignan ko lang, hindi ko pa plansyahin. Char. And yeah, that's it. So for today, yung bangs ko, hindi ko alam. Parang ayaw pa rin nilang makisama sa akin. Tsaka parang masanay talaga ako na side bangs yung bangs ko compared like sa full. But yeah. Tapos hi guys! So, I'm going to get breakfast kasi gutom na ako. As in, ewan ko ba, ngayon lang ako nagutom talaga ng morning. But, yeah, I have here a heart. Oh, cute! Kasi today is Carnival Day. Carnival week actually. So, for today, dapat meron kang mga something sa mukha. Like stickers, anything. So, ayun. This is what I have for today. Just a heart. Ewan ko bukas, pag-iisipan ko pa, ang cute ibang kids. Kasi meron silang yung iba stickers, tapos yung iba, face paint. Wala lang. I never like had an experience like this kasi in the Philippines. So it really feels good. It's so cute. Yun lang. Hi everyone! So I am at the bathroom right now. So ayun pa rin yung heart ko. It stayed there the whole time. But yeah, for today, I look super tired because I am tired. I'm sleepy. Pero it's 1 p.m. and I have like an appointment at 2:30, so I can't sleep yet. So I'll sleep after that. So for now, we're going to force a glow up. I will try to color my hair using this. Ayan. I got this supermarket kanina. So we will be trying it out. And that's the theme for the month. It's February. So it's love month. So love yourself more. Ay, wow, may pagano. So yeah, let's do this. Hi guys! So, as you've noticed, ito na po yung results nung katsakahan ko kahapon. I wanted my hair to be a little darker than usual para low maintenance na siya. And yeah, I've never been so happy upon seeing the sun. Grabe, sana ganito lagi yung weather. Nakakamiss din ha. I feel like baka ako, although I love the cold, I'm also a tropical girl because of the Philippines. So yeah, the weather right now is I think 19 or 20 degrees. But yeah, it's still a little windy though. Hi everyone! So welcome back. I just got home from school and as you can see, my apartment is very messy again. Siguro ito yung nakakatamad na thing na ginagawa ko every week is yung maglinis. Before, ginagawa ko siya almost every day. But since I had additional part-time work sa tutoring, I only do it like once or twice a week na. So, ang kalat talaga. Anyways, I just have a very small haul of the random things that I got today. So, the first one is this one. So, it's the white headband. Para lang kapag naghihilamos ako, meron akong headband. And I think it would look good on other outfits. I also got this roller. So I have this already but mine was too small. So bumili na rin ako ng malaki para dun sa bigger curls ng hair. And then for my tutor, Bumili ako ng stickers na numbers. Didikit ko dun sa background. And the next one, ito sobrang happy purchase. I got myself a pink notebook. So this one is a plain notebook and some permanent markers. Yeah. So I got some permanent markers so that I can draw. So as you know, mahilig talaga ako mag-drawing. Although I thought I got felt tip, pero apparently permanent marker pala nabili ko. Kasi yung isa felt tip, yung solo-solo. Anyways, and bukas kasi, it's Thursday tomorrow, so last day ng Carnival week, kung saan meron kang, you have to wear something. And tomorrow, we have to wear house slippers. So I got myself very cute house slippers. So love, yun nakasulat. Yeah, love. And it's pink. I got the size 38, 39. So I got a bigger size. Kasi pambahay lang naman siya. And it's really comfy. But yeah, I just needed an excuse to buy new slippers. Kasi wala akong house slippers. Yung house slippers ko, yung flip-flops na gamit ko pa sa Philippines, eh kapag lumalabas ako, nagtatapon ng basura, ganun, ginagamit ko siya. So I'm very happy I had an excuse to buy this one. But yeah, that's it for this mini haul. Ayun, time to clean the house. I'll see you again later or tomorrow. Bye! Hi guys! Ganda-gandahan tayo kasi ang cute talaga na outfit ko today. Hindi ko po binubuhat ang sarili kong bangko. But it's so cute. Sobrang love ko siya. But yeah. Sobrang gandang-ganda na talaga ako sa kanya. Sobrang happy ko with it. So, sabi ko, hindi na ako bibili ng food. Pero nagugutom talaga ako. So, I might get a croissant or something from somewhere. So, let's see. Let's go and let's see. Hi guys. So, I'm here at the park and I'm waiting for the bus going to Gandia. So this is like a very quick trip. The bus usually arrives at 4:15, 4:30 and 3 o'clock pa lang. So I have to wait an hour because this is again an impulsive trip kasi biglaan lang. And nagkaroon ng low battery, sorry. So since biglaan nga siya, wala siya sa plan. And naiwan kasi ako nung earlier bus, yung 1:30, yun sana yung kukunin ko. Kasi nagka-event kami sa school, tapos late ko na siya nakita. So ngayon, ayun. So, mabilis lang talaga yung punta ko sa Gandia, parang huminga lang ako kasi the last bus going to Oliva is 6. So, I arrived there like what, 4:30, 4:45, and I have to leave by 6, so that's an hour lang. So, yeah. Ayan lang. Gusto ko lang gumala today kasi yung tutor ko, 10 o'clock pa. Pag Friday kasi, hindi talaga ako nag-tutor. It's like my break day. And I'm not sure if I'm going to Valencia tomorrow kasi ang gulo ng schedule ng bus. Dati kasi mayroong 9 or 10 a.m. na bus to Valencia. Tapos ngayon, 11 a.m. na siya. And then yung uwi, dati mayroong 6 o'clock. Yung ngayon, walang 6 o'clock. Ang available lang ay 4. So, parang sobrang alanganin na dadating ka ng Valencia ng almost 1. Tapos, kailangan ko na umalis agad ng 4. So, yeah, that's it. Share ko lang, guys. Pero, let me still try. Yun lang. Bye! Hi everyone! So, I just got home from school. Tapos nag-grocery na din ako and ang sakit ng ulo ko. Hindi ko alam bakit. And I'm also cooking lang. So, I did some groceries kasi magluto ako ng sinigang. Pero, since my head is aching and I'm a little hungry, nagluluto na lang ako ng sausage for lunch. And then later, when I feel better, saka na lang ako magluluto ng excuse me. Sinisino ako ng sinigang. So yeah, sinumukha talaga akong pagod. Di ko alam bakit. Kasi I had enough sleep naman, tapos naglakad ako. Ewan ko, sakit talaga ng ulo ko. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you again later when I'm cooking the sinigang. Hey guys, so papasok ko sa school. Medyo I woke up on the good side of the bed today. Kaya medyo may ayos tayo. And we're also wearing something cute. So I'm wearing my leather jacket again. And for the first time, nag-skirt tayo today nang walang leggings or stockings. So it's a win for me. So yeah, that's it. See you later. Good morning, guys. So I know it's been a while, so I haven't been vlogging this week, but I'm so excited because today I will head to Gandia. So sa Gandia na ako diretso sa friend ko, and I will stay there until Monday morning. So Monday morning na ako uwi, diretso na ako sa klase. And yeah, so we will be having our Valentine's celebration on Sunday. So I'm really excited to talk about that more in the next few days. But yeah, I'm so excited for this week. This is the much needed rest that I want for this month. And I'm so excited for it. So let's go. Let's finish class first. Tapos, may dala pala akong maleta. Ayan. Maleta kasi instead of using a backpack, mas madali na magmaleta. And point to point naman yung bus. Tapos malapit lang yung lalakarin. So yeah.
Sa challenge na ito, kinakailangan maubos ang
Pilipinas. Kita ba? Nawala ka lang kasama natin.
Nagbe-video ka?
Oo. Kunyari, nagbablog ako. Hi guys! So, couch chaser pala.
We arrived and everyone was dancing like there was no tomorrow. So I am hypnotized watching how everyone is dancing like no tomorrow, or I join them in the middle of the dance floor. I join them.
Join tayo.
Wine lang, at umuwi na. Yun ang ginawa. Christine